So they will be installing brackets and sliders to these Braum seats. For the mk5, I already did the passenger side. So let's unwrap this one and let's get started. Alright, so these are the sliders from Braum. They basically universal. You can use them in any pair of seats. The bracket is what changed depending on the car. So basically pretty easy to install these. Make sure you have them facing correctly, the correct side. It'll be like this. All you gotta do is put 2 bolts on this side, 2 bolts on this side. And the bolts are already installed on the seats when they come in, so all you gotta do is take them off and put it back on the bracket. The bracket is 4 bolts as well. They go 2 on top and for both sides, at least my set on good end and then put this there in the middle. Put your washer and your nut. Same thing on the other side. You got the Allen key and a 13. You hold the Allen key on the other side so the bolt doesn't spin. Then you tighten. Same thing on the other side. Now you move the slider. You move the slider, pull it down. And then you put the other 2 bolts. So once you install your brackets and your sliders, your seat is basically ready to be installed in the car. And now it's time for the car. I have to take the OEM seat out, so let's do that real quick. Remove the OEM seat. You go ahead and put the new seat in. 4 bolts. That's pretty much it. Like I said, 4 bolts. Pretty easy to install. That's right. That tight. The rear. Is the rear end. Bam. That's pretty much it. Braum seats are installed. Yes.